Hi, Supersonic. Turbo Jet. Clacton Air Show. Science weather. UK 2005. Like Julia, turns up. On the right side, screen, right minute, please. Wow! Go, cool. Currently writing digital at the moment, it's approximately 16:09 p.m. in the afternoon. That's 4:09 p.m. in the afternoon. It is August 22nd, Friday afternoon, guys. 2025 here at the Clacton Air Show on the sea. Right now, on the pier. So it's beautiful air display. Today, it's something fantastic. So the red hours earlier than planned. These skies showing on the St. John's. Smile, very happy. And this year, Captain. No joke. Sky show on the St. John's. There's a plane coming down right now from the sky. Pretty cool, isn't it? Big squash on St. John's. Smile,